Hotel is old but very charming. For the price and location can't be beaten. Room spotless, bathroom spotless. Parking easy under hotel. Staff friendly and very helpful. Me and my partner stayed on Saturday. The room was great, even though it had no window. It was spacious, clean and well ventilated. We will be returning. I stayed here for a month. I had no issues and look forward to staying again. Good location. Value for money. Overall satisfying experience. Everything you'd expect and more for $110 odd. Was fine. Great location. Right in the heart of the financial district. By the water too. You can find a few shops for essentials about 5 to 10 minutes walk down the road. Close to the DLR and bus services. Walking distance to Canary Wharf. No pool, no sauna. No room cleaning service throughout my 2-night stay, but additional condiments and toiletries were available at the front desk on request. Good heating and ventilation systems in the room. The only really negative was that the mattress felt budget. However, don't let that deter you, as I have a waterbed at home, so I'm used to a high standard of sleep comfort. Britannia International also have a loyalty card system to earn points and discounts on future stays. Would I stay at this hotel again? Absolutely. For the price, that hotel was amazing. The staff were super friendly, everything about that stay was brilliant. I fully recommend it. Better than all hotels within its range. Definitely better than Premier Inn. I had a great stay at this hotel. Amazing value, keeping in mind the prime location. This is few minutes walk away from Canary Wharf station. Couldn't ask for more for the price. Good for family stay. I stay here most weeks on business. The staff are very accommodating and helpful. There is an on-site restaurant and bar, free Wi-Fi and reception. Rooms are always clean and have all you need from soap/shampoo/towels. There is an ironing board, iron and hair dryer in every room. Safe and secure, and the room service is excellent. The hotel is a very nice place to stay and the staff there are very welcome. We had an amazing stay with you. Room were beautiful. Well supporting staff and hospitality. Good. Such a nice and comfortable place to stay. The view is incredible. Perfect for my 2-night business stay.